Dear Tians, family members around the world, the year of the snake has arrived. The golden lion, the landmark of Tians,
is shining brightly in the spring sunshine.
At this wonderful moment, with boundless enthusiasm, I wholeheartedly and sincerely send my most heartfelt New Year greetings to every member of the Tians family. Especially, I would like to express my warmest regards to our partners who are working hard on the front lines of the markets. The past year has witnessed the launch of Tian's third entrepreneurship and implementation of three globalization strategies, which is a milestone in the history of the group. This year, we have laid a solid foundation and worked hard to implement global layout, digital transformation, and full staff marketing as the core, injecting new momentum into the future development. The establishment of a global big data platform allows information to flow freely among major markets, providing strong support to scientific decision-making. The successful launch of Viral Moment social platform has closely connected families around the world, sharing resources and creating value. The steady implementation of Enable 3 globalization strategies has integrated 8 advantages and one body multi-wing strategies to support teams continue to lead in market competition. The group has successfully achieved a major leap in digital transformation and has now connected more than 12 million family members' data worldwide. In the future, more than 40 million existing users will be gradually activated in Tian's digital system, where consumers are also operators, and operators are also consumers. Family consumption creates wealth, and operating more family consumption will create more wealth. They will be swapped onto the platform and be activated step by step so that all distributors will achieve a common development. In the past year, the Global Development Strategy Business Launch Conference theme with Hello Teens, Hello AI started the whole year. After that, we lit the torch, which symbolizes global sharing at the Great Wall, showing strong cohesion and effectiveness of gathering together is like fire, and the scattering is like stars in the sky. In August, the group successfully held See You at the Top August 3rd celebration and the Global New Marketing Launch Conference and the Global Digital Technology Alliance Conference like a butterfly emerging from its cocoon, showing a new look and starting a new phase of group construction. The moment will strive to achieve the goal of 100 million daily active users via Moment. Cloud Store and Experience Store will be fully integrated and develop cross-border e-commerce. Hundreds of cities and thousands of counties and integrated media project will link global goods. Cross-industry alliance will flourish, and the vision of all-in-one card for the world will become clearer. Comstar new marketing brand will rise strongly around the world. Document workstation will tell wonderful teen stories, demonstrate its strength, and help the brand rise steadily. AI Big Data and Helix online education platform will give support to market development. the 2025 Tianshi Global Carnival started in Thailand and will be held in Burkina Faso, Ghana, Indonesia, Somalia, Cameroon, Poland, Kenya, and other places in February. We will usher in a joint event in China, Vietnam, and Kyrgyzstan. His family members around the world gather ideas, create spark of thoughts, and join hands to make the golden lion shine around the world, which will become an eternal memory of the group development history. Since its establishment 34 years ago, Tianzigroup has always adhered to the mission of healthy humanity, serve the society. In the new year, at a new starting point, we hope that under the guidance of the group strategies, we will unite our hearts and strengths to build a community of shared destiny, face challenges with fearless courage, forge ahead with innovative wisdom,
work hard with the spirit of wolf warriors,
and jointly sprint towards the goals to continue the glory of Tianshi. I sincerely wish all family members a happy new year, a prosperous career, and happiness and health for the whole family. Let us join hands and climb to higher peaks and jointly create a bright future for Tianshi and shine around the world.